Hello and welcome to the Data Explorer's Daily Video Update. Today we're looking at the luxury goods sector, the reason being it's highly dependent on consumer mood and also economic confidence. And given the recent global events and the turmoil that the financial markets are going through, there is growing concern that the early cycle of recovery of the sector may now seem a bit vulnerable. So ahead of US market open on Monday, Tiffany and Co will be announcing their fourth quarter earnings. Investors are sure to be keeping a close eye on these results, given Tiffany's global presence in markets and therefore a good indication of how the sector is performing. Short interest in this stock has been falling over the last 3 quarters, having reached a peak back in October of about 6% of total shares outstanding on loan. However, what we are seeing over the last 2 weeks, there has been a rise in short interest from 3 to 4% of total shares outstanding on loan. Institutional ownership is also falling recently and currently it represents 25% of total shares outstanding. Louis Vuitton, also a very prominent name in the sector. Short interest here is low and has been falling over the last couple of years. Not a very highly traded stock amongst securities lending. Short interest here at 1%. Institutional ownership, however, in this stock has been falling and actually has fallen at an alarming rate of 10% over the past week and currently now represents 10% of the total shares outstanding. LVMH recently announced, or back in October, announced that it actually has a 20% stake in Hermes. Looking at Hermes, there's limited free float available and institutional ownership is also low. And although short interest is low at 2%, this is actually representing 40% of the total lendable supply that's currently out on loan. So a key stock to be looking at to see how the business progresses and if it is at target of any acquisitions in the future. To read the full report, please go to dataexplorers.com/news. Thank you for listening and have a great day.